The author is also talking about this, and I'm sharing this so that everybody knows. You have these kind of situations in the personal and professional world, and the author is also kind of emphasizing this that you have to take unpleasant decisions. You have to kind of say no, and you have to understand that in even if you're committed to your work or your personal relationships and stuff, you do not have to entertain unnecessary nonsense and stuff like that. So hope this helps. And yes, I kind of did take feedback from my other friends and other people and stuff. But then I understood that some people from different countries come with only certain objectives and stuff like that, and they're not used to kind of women or girls being strong. And entertaining them or inviting them over to your own circles and stuff does not mean that you're personally interested in them. So when you're keeping your work, or your meetings and stuff, have a very formal and a very professional approach to that, because sometimes hanging around together can also be misunderstood. And the author says this that you have to confront situations like this and stuff, and not let it affect you. And on a separate note, in work and stuff, when you're kind of making sure that your long hours are, or your energy is basically kind of focused and targeted only on achieving your creativity or your intellectual pursuits or your bigger goals and stuff, then nothing should stop you, and you should just move on and move forward. So the right strategy would be that rather than entertaining this kind of unpleasantness or this kind of stuff or discord or whatever, when you have better quality people everywhere, is to kind of put your foot down and walk away from it, and not allow it to happen to you, because work is about fun and enjoyment and stuff, and there are certain do's and don'ts and stuff. So if people try and cross it, they have to bear with it and stuff. And same goes for certain people in Bollywood. I see that they follow you in the night, or they're posting to get your attention or whatever. So I think some people need to get a life and understand that a no means a no, and no matter what you do, how much you follow, how much you stalk, how much you try and put posts related to your personal or professional life, and a person is not interested in you, a person is not interested in you. So get the fact clear, and you have to be strong enough to understand that your personal goals and your professional goals and values are far more elevated than the usual that these people are used to, or they are offered in their own words and stuff like that. So the tip is this, that if you're focused on kind of achieving your goals and stuff, you have to kind of get back to your goal as to why you first started it. And then you have to tweak your situation and strategy and focus on better collaborations and better people, because unpleasantness daily in personal professional relationships can be a huge misfit in personal and professional situations. And when you regret knowing someone, or you regret or you have a bad experience with someone, sensibility says that just avoid those people and be in your own circle or find new people and stuff. So hope this helps. So take care of yourself, and if there are circumstances or situations which are not in your control and not anticipated, you do not give up, you do not give in, and you walk away proudly and smartly. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jashinkapani.im@gmail.com and jkapani@gmail.com. Feel free to write in and email me and stuff, and take care of yourself, and get into meditation and mindfulness, exercise a lot, and sharing always helps. So hope this